Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Good morning, guys. So welcome back to another video. So today it is the 14th of December, so happy December 14th. So this morning we are gonna continue with my room. It's not messy, it's just that I need to clean the windows and put up the curtains. I'm not gonna put on the sheet. So the breeze though. Anyway, so it's not messy, it's just that I need to put on the sheet, the curtain, and I also need to wash the brushes and fold my clothes. I haven't gotten to folding the clothes, and I washed some more yesterday, so I have more to fold. So I have that to fold, and then I think I'd be done with my room until I'm ready to decorate, which is to like put on the sheets and put up like the lights and other decorations. I don't know what else, but yes. So yes, that's all I have to do left. And then a little later, that's why I want to start early. It's like after 7 now. I want to start early because later on, there's a lizard here yesterday and I have to be careful. Because later on, I want to put up the tree like about midday. So I want to put up the tree at that time. So I'm gonna get all this done now so that later I can put up the tree and all of that. So right now I'm gonna change into my working clothes and let's see. My back is hurting me, so I'm gonna put on my little thing in here. This thing I bought, I haven't worn it since I tried it on, so I'm gonna try and wear it today and see how that goes for the day. So yeah, I'm still hate the fact that it looks so flimsy. It kind of flimsy, as I can see. It need little wiring in it. I like the ones with the wire. I don't know why I didn't get one with the wire, but I'm gonna buy one more. And my sister and my mom wants one too, so I'm gonna need to buy 3. So yeah. All right, guys. So let us get into today's vlog.
last year, you know, see. I asked people them how much of this was tonight and I don't buy nothing.
They just want to be on the vlog. Not even-
Hi! Hello, it's me again. Oh, hi there, it's me again. Hi, it's me again.
Baileyshanakay.
Hi.
You're in trouble, as per usual.
Dark.
Shadiq, it's sleeping time.
That's why you want to be like,
Yes!
it's dark.
Wee. I like it. I love it. So guys, as you can see, it is very blocked out and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So alright, I was gonna use this, but guys, it just no Christmas in one time. It not have no green, no red, nothing. So it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna put it back in to the bag. So I'm gonna use it like January thereabout instead. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use. I might have to end up buy one more. Like see if I can find my father and him knocking right now while me film. This is the blanket I have otherwise, but I wanted to put this on like the bigger bed and use a different one for my bed. So this would be on that bed, right? But I don't know what else I go. So we might have to switch and use this. Depending if I don't get any other one, then I'll have to use this one. So we'll see. We're just taking them all out. I don't like you, no. I don't like you. No. So guys, I was really hoping I wouldn't have to iron the curtain, but it needs to be ironed. So remember I had it. Anyways, we're gonna iron that and then get back to putting it up, and then I'm done with that, and then fold after that. So yeah. Alright guys, we're back. We are back. guys, so the white is up, the red is up, you know, that's all fixed, and then the beds will fix closer to the time. So for now, this is how we're gonna do it. This is how it's gonna be. I guess so. I finished washing my brushes, so yes, that is now done. They're drying. Okay, so just the clothes to like fold, and I'm done with this room for today. So yeah.